Richie Dotson again, coming to you from Chateau de Brie, aka my office, my shop, Acoustic Box, acousticbox.com, and banjomart.com for the direct link to the web store. I knew I could do it. I need more coffee or something. It feels earlier than it actually is. What do we got here? We got a Ralph. We've got a Stanleytone, number 24. Made in 1987 in July. So the serial number is 71987, and then pound sign, if you will, 24. So these are apparently highly sought after. So I remember when Ralph was selling these off the bus back in the 80s. May have even saw this one. So this one, of course, curly maple, 5-piece neck, because that's how he made these little fellers. And Snuffy Smith bridge. Very comfortable. I don't know that I've seen one of these until this one. Just a piece of, we'll call it, well, I was going to call it something else, but it's just a piece of cloth, well adhered to the armrest, extremely comfortable, and it's just in really good condition. It does have the once gold-plated sliding fifth-string capo. Everything's in good order. No screw right there, but I'm not going to put one in because everything works. Got a little bit of chipping around this one, McFadden lacquer, but it's been taken very good care of. Some of y'all know what that means. And this is just a classic Frank Neat built Stanleytone. It's got 20s Granada purfling, a Bella Voce inlay on an ebony board with the small frets, and it just we've cleaned it up, set it up, strung it. Kind of a rare commodity now, so you can find this on the web store at banjomart.com. And if you like seeing these videos, see what we have for sale, see what we're working on, see what we're doing, go visit acousticbox.com and or subscribe to this YouTube channel, and give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, tell us howdy, and we'll post this on social media as well. And we thank y'all for watching. Have a great one. Talk to you later.